Okay, so this is going to be my first ever tutorial that I'm doing. This is actually made from a stream that I did earlier today about using replay mod to make YouTube shorts. We realized during stream there wasn't many simple explanations of it on YouTube, so we thought that we'd turn earlier stream session into the YouTube short. The only thing you're missing is the beginning of the stream where it shows you. You press start recording if you don't have it automatically starting at the start of every session that you log into. And then you do your build, which I'm going to play about half an hour's worth of stream in the next 20 seconds. And that'll be the actual build you're doing. And then it's going to rejoin where we actually use the replay mod. And I'm going to show you how to turn that into a short as well after. The next step that isn't actually shown on stream is you click this button here. Once you finish your replay, you exit the world and it will save it in the top right. And then you click this replay viewer and you select your most recent replay or whichever one you want to edit. So let me show you this. So here we are. This is replay mod, right? So the whole time I was recording is up here. That's the whole recording, right? And I can fly around and look at everything that was around me within the loaded chunks through the replay mod. It records your whole world. So I can go, where do I want to start, right? So I want the camera to start, and I'm actually going further back than I need to because this is going to be portrait. So you're only going to see the middle of the screen. So if I do like here, you won't see that. You won't see me on the YouTube short, which is something I've learned. This will be the first time I actually implement that. So I can say start here, and then you add a position keyframe. So it says where you are, and you add a time keyframe, which says you're there at that moment, right? So you just click these two buttons. I'm then gonna put it to ×8 and play, right? And then I can go over here and be like, at this moment here, so I press P to pause, at this moment here, I want the camera to be here, right? And it draws a line. So for, how long is that? For the first minute of the recording in the game, I move from here to here, and it shows you where you're looking. So then I can pull it back a bit and go over here, and then I can actually skip 3.5 minutes. Click play just so everything syncs up. I want to be here. I'll show you it when we're done. And then let's go over here. And I like to use about the same time between each one, so it's a similar speed. So we'll go here. So that's the 6-minute mark. We'll add another one. Play. Right? Then I want to be over here for the next one. And this is because it's just sand. So I'll pause it. No, I'll play it and then skip. Pauses, play it a bit, boom. I want to be here for this moment, right? And then I'm going to skip again, play it, and because I'm destroying the middle of it, this bit will probably be a bit faster, so I can go like back up here. That's where I want to be for that moment, you know? And then now I'm going to do the same circle, but from much higher up so you can see the inside of the build. So this is about where I want to be for maybe here. Whoops. There you go. Boom. Play. And then we're going to circle around the top. So we go a bit higher. Maybe a bit lower for this bit. So then it actually zooms in because it's going to move from there to here. So it'll be the equivalent of zooming in for this bit. And then pause. I want to be here for this bit. And then I probably want to go here next to get the angle of this end part of the build. And then skip again. This is where we're actually finishing the build. So I'll bring it in a bit. Maybe like here. And then we'll probably have to get past all the talking, which I can actually speed up in the review. Whoops. Right, and I want to be here for the water moment. So it's going to zoom in for that bit. And then it should be done. And for this bit, I'm going to go over here. In fact, I don't like doing the sideways take. Because then you don't know where it's looking while you're doing it. So I'm going to pull back out a bit further. Go here. Remember, it only sees about this bit here. So about there to there. So you got to like line it up and go a bit further back than you would normally for like if it was just this. So we'll go there for that. And then skip to the end. And that's it done. So then I might bring it down here. So I want it down here for the ending. Right there. Boom. And then when I edit it, it will, I'll add the screenshot after this. In fact, do you want to see what it does? So we can actually go to the beginning. What are you doing? I'm making a replay mod. I'm just showing Canada how to do it. So now we can play, and it shows you the paths that we just made. So it's going to follow those paths, and I can change them. So right now you're looking into the center of the screen. Can it see the whole way through? So this will be the replay, and you can also tell it not to render the usernames. So it won't see the usernames. And I'm doing this with shaders, so it renders with the shaders. To render it, you just press that button. Okay, so now that you've exported your replay mod, this is CapCut. I use this, it's free, anyone can use this. This is all assuming that you already have replay mod installed and things like that. If you don't, I can add a link at the top of the description with a video showing you how to get replay mod into your mods folder. But first things first, what you want to do is you want to drag over into your import your actual replay mod. I'm also going to drag over the screenshot that we took that we want to be the end of the video. And also let me drag over some music, which I actually use the YouTube Studio Music library, which gives you copyright free music that YouTube has already confirmed previously. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag in the ×8 replay. I'm going to zoom in. This is just to show you how simple this is, and cut out the first bit. The start of a replay mod can always be a bit weird. It can show some random stuff in there. To zoom in and out, I hold control and the scroll wheel. And then you click on your video. You can't see it, it's behind the webcam, but in the top right, next to video and next to animation, actually says speed, which you can click, and there's a little speed slider. So I'm going to slide that up till it gets to about 28 seconds. 28, let's go slightly more. I'm gonna make it 25. So that video there, to get to about 25 seconds, is times 8.4, which is on top of the times 8 that we did in the replay mod. So now we have a video which is 25 seconds long of the actual replay. First things first, you click ratio. 9:16 is the same as YouTube Shorts. This is all based off YouTube Shorts. It can work for most shorts as well. So 9 × 16. Now we have the actual video here in the size that it will be exported as. Let's go back to the beginning. Chuck in some music, which you can drag down. I normally turn it down a lot. So I'm going to take that down quite a bit. And let's chuck in the screenshot for the end of the video. Make that a bit shorter as well. And then if you hover over the sides and you see the little side arrows, you can change how quickly the song enters, and it's basically a fade in and out. And if you see the little whatever that is, you can see on the screen right now, that's the crop tool right there. I'm actually going to zoom in listen to the music. You can't actually hear that. I haven't set that up, but that should be fine. So the music is playing. I'm going to turn that up slightly. Once you get your desired volume, you're set. So now we can go back to the beginning. You can see your replay right there that you've changed into the 9:16, which is the ratio. I'm going to turn that down a lot more. So we're just watching it to make sure there's no errors. This is the last step of editing pretty much, or any changes you want to make. Okay, first things first, let's make that a bit shorter. Second thing is, in fact, we actually need to make that to scale. Drag that up and it snaps there. I like the idea of that cinematic there. So let's go just a bit above the water. And I'm going to select the video and then come over to the left hand side and I'm going to split it, which basically makes the two videos independent of each other from the one video. I'm going to go on here, top right as well. I'm going to go to speed. I'm actually going to move the webcam for a moment. So you can see here, speed up here, and this is your slider right there. Let me put the webcam back. There we go. So I'm actually going to slow that down because I want that cinematic to be maybe even like 1.5 times. Let's watch that. Maybe even slightly slower here. So I'm going to split it again, make two independent videos of each other. Then I'm going to go back up top right. I'm going to make that 1 time speed, which is actually 8 times speed if you remember the replay. Does that slight slow bit at the end, and that right there I'd probably say is the video. We can extend it to the end, go back to the beginning, double check that it all looks good. I like the audio levels. You'll be able to do that as well if you have the audio levels. Slow at the end, even slower. Show the screenshot. Just under 30 seconds. That is a YouTube short. What I do now is I click export in the top right. It normally defaults to whatever you already have set up as your recording. That's your YouTube short. You can drag that in. I schedule them, so I did in this stream alone, I did 3 different builds. Did the replay mod for 3 different builds, and I've just finished editing the 3 different builds as well. That's your how to make a YouTube short with replay mod. The thing I'll add now is this was based off of a stream which has a lot of music and different things going on in the background, so it might not be the best tutorial quality. Again, this is my first ever tutorial I've made. Sorry if it took too long, but I wanted to give very simple steps how I actually go from the build, replay mod, editing. I won't show you how to upload, hopefully you know that already. If not, there's videos on how to use CapCut, there's videos how to install replay mod, and there's videos probably how to upload, well, the first YouTube video was how, anyway. Lots of different things. This is very to the point about this specific thing that some people in my community wanted some more advice on. So there we go. That's the whole video. If you have any questions, drop them down below. If they're too complicated, I would recommend finding a YouTube video about your specific issue. This was very direct towards build, replay mod, edit. Thank you very much. Bye.